Everyone is saying AI is taking over, but is that actually true? The real answer might surprise you. First, here's what AI can do right now. It can generate realistic images, write full conversations as chatbots, automate repetitive tasks, and even help with coding. AI is fast, smart, and improving every month. But here's what AI is not good at. It struggles with creating original ideas from scratch. It doesn't truly understand emotions. It can't make complex human decisions. And it definitely can't handle most physical tasks. AI is powerful, but it's not human. So, will AI replace jobs? The truth is, AI replaces tasks, not entire careers. Many jobs will change, but new ones are already appearing. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's humans working with AI. And instead of fearing it, people can actually use AI to level up. You can use AI tools to start businesses, boost productivity, and learn new digital skills that put you ahead instead of behind. So now the real question is, do you think AI will replace your job, or make it easier? Comment below.